to protest. There have been recipients, mostly kind of yelling, just, telling ICE and telling the federal government what they think of their presence here. We have seen, particularly from some red systems, but other than that, they're getting hit with a huge amount of non-lethal, non-lethal, apparatus, including a huge number of gas canisters. I'm seeing on this completely shady area of gas.
Hey, Sarah, I know it's been moving. We have one person. People are very upset, understandably. And, in one of our shots earlier, we saw what appeared to be officers pushing a big dumpsters, like on rollers. They were just pushing them into a street or a path. Or, do you know whether they're using those as kind of to contain an area, or if they're starting out what they're being used for?
I've not seen that, but I have seen them break down some of the barriers that the protesters have put up to try and put something between them and the protesters. They have broken through those and then thrown, gas canisters at them and thrown into the pepper spray. And now people are going back to the corner of McLaughlin 27, where all this was very hot just half an hour ago. They're starting to walk back to this main branch here. And going back towards the federal agency have now kind of pulled back some, but there is a huge presence. I mean, there are, what look like military style vehicles that are down the street on Nicolette. It looks like it appears to be a federal government apparatus down there, and more people. Now, just so you know, there are people on one side of them and on the other side protesting their actions here in Minneapolis. And if anything is going to cause absolute fury and chaos, it was this. It was having the federal government, having federal agents involved in yet another shooting here in Minneapolis. We now understand the man who was shot has been killed. There is just, the tension is going to get very, very high. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, we're seeing it is protesters that are pushing some of the dumpsters into the street to try and create a barrier. So that is what I see literally as we speak. You can hear the sound of the dumpsters being pushed towards where the federal agents have a police line made of plastic. And so what you're seeing is the protesters are pushing the dumpsters, and I think they're doing so in part so that they have some of the steel guns and being hit by the gas canisters that they are shooting out at the protesters here on Nicolette. The person is here is nothing that is going to stop this. A police vehicle is here. Here comes more. People are running. All right, I am now moving to the side of the building so that I don't get hit. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. All right. As you hear, people are here helping everyone, including those reporters in the second and the context, American side of the intel. This is really extreme. In fact, it is that the U.S. Treasury CSF